Integrating Beehive with WiserNotify allows you to display real-time notifications based on subscriber actions. By using Beehive automation triggers, you can send subscriber data to WiserNotify and show social proof notifications on your website. Use cases based on Beehive triggers. You can use different Beehive triggers to show relevant notifications. Signed up. Show a notification when a new user signs up. Email submitted. Display an alert when someone submits their email. Survey submitted. Notify visitors when a user completes a survey. Poll response. Show a pop-up when someone responds to a poll. Referral action. Highlight successful referrals in real time. Upgraded. Announce when a user upgrades to a paid subscription. Custom Webhook integration with Beehive. Make sure you have created lead activities notification in WiserNotify. Navigate to Data Source in WiserNotify. Click Add Integration, then search for Custom Webhook. Click Create Webhook and then Configure. Copy the generated webhook URL and set it to start listening for new data. Now create automation in Beehive. Log into Beehive and go to the Audience tab. Click on Automation and then New Automation. Give your automation a name. And save automation. Click Add Trigger and select an event. Example. Choose Email Submitted if you want to show a notification when someone submits their email. You can use any other event. It works with all type of triggers. Activate the trigger. Click Save to confirm the trigger. Click plus sign below the trigger. Select Send Webhook. In the configuration panel, paste the WiserNotify webhook URL you copied earlier. Set the HTTP method to post. Select JSON as the data format. Choose an existing subscriber to send a test webhook response. And lastly, activate the webhook. And save. Capture and map data in WiserNotify. Go back to WiserNotify's webhook configuration screen. Once the test data appears, it shows the success message. Then you need to map the WiserNotify field with received response. Map email to email field. Map the name if available. Map other custom fields if Beehive sends additional data. Note: if you map a product name field, use sales activities notification instead of lead activities. Close the webhook configuration screen in WiserNotify. Go to the Data Source section. Select Custom Webhook as the data source. Click Finish and Publish to activate the notifications. Note: notifications will only appear if the selected data source has at least one entry. After integration, once you have a new subscriber, it will show new lead activities. Use troubleshooting tools or contact live chat support for help. With this integration, you can automatically display social proof notifications whenever a user signs up, submits an email, or takes other key actions. This helps build trust, increase engagement, and boost conversions on your website.